Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to share with you everything that I know about nail art stamping. Now nail art stamping is a technique in which you stamp certain design on your nails. I will let you know how to do it and what all things you require for it. Now starting with the requirements, the first thing that you require is a nail paint remover. You require a nail paint remover to remove any mistakes that you make and also to clean the plates and the blade. The second thing that you require are these nail paints. Now these are from Konart that came along with the nail art stamping kit, but you can use any that you own which are thick and stamp really well. The third thing that you require is a nail art stamper, and the fourth is a nail art stamping plate which has beautiful designs over it, and the last thing is a nail art stamping blade. So all these things except from the nail paint remover, I got them in the nail art stamping kit which I bought online. You can buy these kits from Amazon and Flipkart. I would leave the links in description bar below. So let's begin with it. Today I am using this pink nail paint from Color Bar and the black one which is a random nail paint I got in my bridal beauty kit. I have applied those nail paints on my nails already. What I have done is I have applied the base coat and then I have applied 2 coats of this nail paints and let them dry. Make sure you dry them completely before you start your stamping, otherwise it will be a complete fail. So yeah, after your nail paint dries off, apply a top coat to seal the nail paint. Also keep your top coat alongside with you because whenever you stamp your nail, you need to seal the design using your top coat. So yes, my nails are done and they are looking quite pretty. Now let's get into stamping. Before we start with stamping, I wanted to show you this plate. This plate has beautiful designs over it. These are smaller designs. There are plates available with large designs as well for larger nails, so you can choose according to your nail type. So let's get started and show you how to do nail art stamping. Now to get the perfect design on your nails, what you need to do is apply generous amount of nail paint over the design that you want on your nails and then scratch it off using the blade. Now once it's done, be quick and pick up your stamper, place it over the design and then quickly place it over your nails, so you'll have the beautiful design on your nails. Trick is to be really quick and fast before the nail paint dries off over the plate. So yeah, I'll show you 2-3 times how to do it so that you get the drill. I'm again doing it with another design, and yeah, you can see it for yourself how it works, and in the end I'll show you all the pictures of my nails and how beautiful the design looks. Since my plate got a little dirty, I wanted to clean it, and also I wanted to show you guys how to clean it. So all you need to do is take some makeup remover on cotton and then swipe it over the plate. Also, if you have some nail paint on the floor, you can even remove that using the cotton and remover. There is one tip that I want to give you guys. When you are cleaning your plate and blade, use a cotton and a remover. But when you are cleaning your stamper, all you need to do is take some clear tape, place it over your stamper and then remove it. All the nail paint will come over the tape. So yeah, don't apply the remover over your stamper. To clean your stamper, use a clear tape, not remover. Also, there are few designs which do not come out really well. For example, the bow one did not come out really well on my nails, whereas the hearts one looked really beautiful. So it all depends upon practice and how quick you are while placing the design on your nails. Yeah, that is it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on all the social medias. Also, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up.